Hello and welcome to my demonstration today on Qdms. So Qdms is our integrated management system. It is a permission-based system, so not everyone has access to everything in the system, and you can connect to what you're supposed to based upon your position, profession, department, and group. So after logging into the system here, we have the main dashboard on our home page. So we can have a quick connection to for example, some of our documents that are saved by just clicking on the widgets on the dashboard. And as you can see, we have various other widgets on our dashboard, and you're more than welcome to customize them the way that you want to. So for today's video, I'll be focusing on how we can use the audit module in Qdms for your pharmaceutical company. So as you can see here, we can also have a quick connection to some of our audits that need to be performed right from our homepage. So on our top left here, we have the main menu of Qdms, where we have all the main modules. So today we'll be looking at the audit module. So you can use this module for both internal and external audit, such as auditing your employees, vendors, and suppliers, and so on. So first we'll go into our audit plans. And here is where we can add a new plan. So first we would need to input all the required information, such as the audit code, the audit itself, as well as the date and time, such as the finish date. And we would also need to input the subject, as well as the status of the audit, as well as who the lead auditor will be, along with the audit team members, as well as which unit is responsible for the specific audit. And you're also more than welcome to attach files to the specific audits that we have. And you can also pick and choose the audit questions from the question pool of Qdms as a reference to the auditor. And the auditor can record all the answers coming from the auditee digitally. And if we come back here, we can also filter out specific audit plans depending upon the audit code and the definition, along with the lead auditors. And this simplifies the process when you're looking for a specific audit. And also in this module, we have reports that are available, both graphical report as well as other reports, such as the audit score report, the audit history records, and any open audits report. So for example, we have our audit score report here. So for this, we would need to input the plan ID, definition, along with the audit code, who the lead auditor was, along with the audit, as well as the audit date and some other criteria that we need to input before we create this report. And you're also more than welcome to send this report to an Excel file. And here is where we can filter out specific reports depending upon the audit code and the definition. So now there's a simpler way to view your audits by using the Qdms Mobile App, and I will show you that in just a second. Here is the Qdms Mobile App. So as you can see here, when we first open it up, we have all of some of our most important modules in Qdms, such as document management, corrective action, and some others. And as you can see here, we also have a tab for audit activities, where we can see the audits that need to be performed. So here it is. So we're able to see it by the code, definition, date, plan definition, along with the plan operation start date. So we can have a quick connection by just either searching or just tapping on the specific audit that we want to view. And here it is. So we can see the details of the specific audit, along with certain other requirements. And if we come back, we also can view it from the left tab. So that is how the Qdms app works and how you can view the specific audit module on it. Thank you so much for watching.